Hi, I'm Daniel Francis with the Weekly Buffer. And this week, we're going to highlight a few of the things that have happened here at MSB Technology. To kick things off, let's talk about product repairs. At MSB, we often talk about trying to repair and continue to maintain products for as long as possible to keep them at the longest possible lifespan. And this week, we were able to put that to the test. A customer from Lake Tahoe drove in with a 21-year-old DAC. We knew exactly what was wrong with it. We were able to repair it and get him back on the road with a working DAC for many more years to come. As we do these repairs, it again emphasizes our commitment to keeping these products alive as long as possible. In an age of throwaway electronics, this is becoming more and more of an issue in modern manufacturing. Also this week, we are shipping Sentinel DACs. It's a big hurdle for us to get through, but we've been developing a lot of different processes, shipping materials, packaging, and all of these things have finally come together to get a Sentinel DAC out the door. After that, things will flow much more smoothly as we've worked out all the kinks, testing procedures, and materials required to get them shipping. Another product that started shipping this week is the Cascade DAC foot blank inserts. This is a product that we had announced maybe a couple months ago now. We were really excited to offer it to our customers, but after sending out a few samples, we realized it was the wrong design. And we are always open to feedback from our customers, and we want to provide product that best serves our community. All right, so taking a look at the original foot blank, it was this here. So you can see solid in the center. There's a slight divot so that the center point of the lathe part doesn't have a sharp point that would scratch surfaces. So if this slides across a smooth surface, it won't mark. While we thought this met the needs of our customers, we got immediate feedback that they wanted a way to mount spikes and foot isolators directly to the chassis for better connections. This will improve performance of certain products, and we wanted to see if we could find a way to make that work. So we went back to the drawing board and redesigned the part, and we were able to incorporate an M6x1 thread through the foot blank. So the new one, as you can see here, has a counter bore and then a threaded section, and on the other side is threaded all the way through. So when you order the foot blank kit, it'll come in a box like this. So opening the top side of the box, you'll see a 3D print. Go ahead and remove the top half, and you'll be presented with 3 sets of foot blanks. In the center here, you'll see a number 14 spanner style driver. This is a 1/4 inch hex. So you'll need a driver like this. This is a standard, at least in the US. To install the foot, you'll need to remove the Viton ball from the tip of the Cascade. You can do this by pinching and pulling the Viton ball out. Then you'll see in the center is the spanner style interface. Now take the new foot blank and then tighten it down. You'll see how this interfaces with those 2 notches. All right, after it's installed, you'll be able to set the unit on top of an isoacoustic foot like this, the Aurea Bronze. Or you'll be able to install spikes like this, or the isolation foot of your choice. I'll also note the maximum thread depth. 0.675 inches or 17 millimeters. You can go ahead and replace all the feet in the system and use your isolation foot of choice. This now allows the accommodation of many different feet, spikes, and other mechanisms to be fastened directly to the chassis for more applications and settings. These foot blank kits are now shipping and available for purchase. Contact your local dealer if you are interested. All right, well that's it for this week, and it's time for me to get back to Sentinel production. I've got a lot to do, and it's gonna be a lot of work to get these out the door, so I'm gonna stay focused on that. Feel free to leave a comment down below, like and subscribe if you'd like to stay updated with our weekly videos. Thanks for joining, and we'll catch you in the next one.